students are very qualified. Their junior year in Rock ISD, they have the option to take a medical assisting class where they can obtain their medical assisting certification. However, it's only in the classroom. As juniors, then they are able to have the option to take our pharmacy technician program or this CNA class, where it gives them the hands-on opportunity to get out of the classroom and actually practice those skills on people. We come here and do clinical rotations at this nursing facility or nursing home.
We do vital signs. Before the nursing home, we actually went to the hospital where we did rotations there and got to go into different units, and there we were able to shadow and see the hospital experience. And we've learned, besides making beds, we've also changed briefs. We've done nail care, hair care. It's amazing. It helps me with real-world situations. That way, when I do eventually go into the healthcare field on my own, I'll know exactly what to do, what to expect, and I love it.
The students have to have 60 hours in the classroom and then 40 hours of clinical.
We're certified in bloodborne pathogens, HIPAA and OSHA, and we've got our medical assistance license, and we're working on our CNA.
I think not only are we benefiting hugely from this program, or the students are, but the residents are as well.
Got one resident who just lights up when we walk in the door. She sees the white scrubs and she knows that we're there for her, and it's so heartwarming. I love it.
It feels good to know that I'm out there making a difference for people, and I'm changing their life in a way, if it wasn't for this program, I wouldn't be able to do.